The market theme: an optimistic start on cards for Nifty bulls. The good news: oil prices resumed decline. Oil prices turned lower following reports that the US and Iran have agreed to a roadmap aimed at securing a final peace agreement within 60 days. Amidst this backdrop, Nifty is likely to hold its advance on fresh optimism that peace in the Middle East would re-establish energy supply from the region. Technical outlook: from a technical perspective, confirmation of fresh strength emerges only above last week's high at 24,189. Market trends: the global cues are positive. In Monday's bullish session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 636 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1036 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation day out. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has plunged near 12.84 levels. At last check, USD INR, June, has cooled towards 94.55 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th June, is at 1.00 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1.10. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.80. Mid-cap Nifty is at 1.08. Nifty outlook: bullish day out amidst hopes surrounding the US-Iran peace deal. Hopefully, Strait of Hormuz opens for business at the earliest. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,103. Biggest make-or-break support for Nifty is now placed at 24,000 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,189 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,000 and 24,300. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 77,094. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 76,500 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 77,593 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 76,700 to 77,700. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 57,936. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 57,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 58,300 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,500 and 58,500. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. This bull market unlikely to end because of Fed rate hikes under Kevin Warsh. But Nifty might gain ground if oil prices slump further below $74 a barrel. Please note, Fed had turned hawkish. The Federal Reserve kept interest rates unchanged at 3.75% on 17th June, but delivered a distinctly hawkish message. So, the main event will be the release of the May Personal Consumption Expenditure (PCE) inflation report on Thursday, 25th June, which is the Federal Reserve's preferred measure of inflation. Stocks in spotlight. Stocks at 52-week highs. Bharat Forge, Aditya Birla Capital, Aegis Logistics, HFCL, and Reliance Industries led the gains on strong business developments. Bharat Forge rose after securing a 425 crore rupees Ministry of Defence contract to supply gas turbine generators for the Indian Navy, while also showcasing its new Mark artillery systems at Eurosatory 2026. Aditya Birla Capital gained on robust FY26 earnings, with net profit rising 21% to 3,792 crore rupees. Aegis Logistics advanced after reporting a 6% rise in Q4 profit and 15% revenue growth. HFCL climbed after bagging a 2,666 crore rupees order from Rail Vikas Nigam Limited for BharatNet Phase 3. Reliance Industries jumped as Jio Platforms filed for India's biggest ever IPO, aiming to raise around 37,700 crore rupees.